Hayward, a global market leader with over 50 years' experience, has a reputation for customer satisfaction, product innovation, and operational excellence.
At Hayward Commercial Pool Products, we're committed to provide our partners, builders, servicers, designers, operators, and managers of aquatic facilities with the right tools they need to support and grow their businesses. Our innovative solutions utilize the latest technology to deliver eco-friendly, energy-efficient automated systems to simplify operation and compliance while delivering a wonderful swimming experience.
The challenges we were faced with before using Hayward products was lack of support from other companies. When you get into a commercial pool of this caliber and you don't have great support, it makes it very difficult for us and for the client. We have fantastic support from Hayward.
Our technologically advanced commercial pumps range from the industry's most efficient variable speed pump, EcoStar C, to large horsepower HCP series pumps designed to maximize flow rates and increase efficiency. The HCF high-performance sand and cartridge filters' rugged designs meet the most demanding commercial filtration requirements. The sand filters come in a variety of sizes with innovative features providing ultimate hydraulic efficiency. The Universal H-Series commercial ASME gas heaters separate themselves from the rest with their universal design, Cupro nickel heat exchangers, and bronze headers that come as standard. All heaters are manufactured in a one-piece flow, are rigorously tested, and ASME certified.
The features we like most about the Hayward ASME heater is its low profile, its easy installation, and its Cupro nickel heat exchanger comes standard.
Hayward provides complete total automation coming from one controller, CAT controllers. Thousands of pools, spas, water parks, and water treatment applications rely on the intelligence and precision of CAT controllers. With every advanced CAT controller, you can monitor and manage all your pools and spas from a mobile app. To experience all the benefits of a saline pool seamlessly, team our pH and ORP controllers with our Saline C 6.0. It's a low-cost, eco-friendly salt chlorinator, specifically designed for commercial applications. Its one-vessel design eliminates complex plumbing, poorly performing, costly multi-cell installations.
One of the best decisions I've made since getting in this industry about 16 years ago was choosing the Saline 6.0 commercial salt system. Really, it's a maintenance man's best friend.
For facility managers, you can expect to save money by running an energy-efficient pump room using Hayward products.
But Hayward's energy-efficient LED lighting steals the scene. Hayward's brilliant, versatile lighting in either white or color are perfect for new construction, retrofitting into existing applications, and transforming properties.
Specifically for engineers, we offer a fully loaded thumb drive with everything needed to specify Hayward products into a pool plan. From CAD drawings, technical data, product certifications to bid specifications, we make it easy so you can get all the types of information you need when you need it.
I've known and used Hayward products for well over 15 years in this industry, so using Hayward commercial pool products for me, there was no second guessing. As soon as the products hit the market, any of the new products, I was the first one to jump in there and give it a shot, and I've experienced the same great results with the residential products as I do with the commercial products.
Perfectly balanced water relies on just about everything in your facility's equipment room. Efficient, reliable, hard-working equipment from Hayward is just what you need.